Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we will discuss about Allah's beautiful name, Al-Baqi, the ever-surviving one. Allah is the everlasting, the ever-enduring, the ever-present. Al-Baqi signifies his attribute as the eternal being whose existence transcends the limits of the temporal world and beyond the confines of time and space. Allah is Al-Awwal, the very first, and Al-Akhir, the infinite last one, as well as He is the one who will remain. He is and always will be. Coming to the Arabic root of this name, the root letters of this name are Ba, Qaf, Ya, meaning to remain, endure, or survive. It conveys the concept of permanence and survival. Also using the same root is the male cemetery in Medina, where many companions and family members of Prophet Muhammad ﷺ are buried. The name Baqi comes from the Arabic word Baqi, which means a plot of land with trees and plants. Jannatul Baqi is a reminder of the temporary nature of human life and that only Allah is everlasting, fitting the essence of Al-Baqi. It symbolizes the end of worldly life and the beginning of the eternal hereafter, where Allah's presence remains. Now let's see how this name is used in the Quran. In the Quran, Allah isn't described directly as Al-Baqi. However, his attribute of eternal and timeless nature is highlighted multiple times through the root letters. For example, in Surah An-Nahl, chapter 16, verse 96, Allah says, "Whatever you have will end, but what Allah has is lasting, Baqi, and we will surely give those who are patient their reward, according to the best of what they used to do." Also in Surah Ar-Rahman, chapter 55, verse 26 to 27, the Quran states, "Everyone upon it, that is the earth, will perish, and there will remain the face of your Lord, owner of majesty and honor." This root is also used in reference to our faith and what should be more important for us. For example, in Surah Al-Kahf, chapter 16, verse 46, the Quran says, "Wealth and children are but adornment of the worldly life, but the enduring good deeds are better to your Lord for reward and better for one's hope." Similar guidance is also there in Surah Maryam. How to call Allah with the name Al-Baqi in dua. When invoking Allah by the name Al-Baqi, we can call out to Him and say, "O Allah Al-Baqi, the ever-surviving one, grant us strength and perseverance in the face of life's challenges and guide us on the path of righteousness." Ya Allah, we affirm our trust in your eternal presence and seek your protection and guidance in all aspects of our lives. Ameen. Jazakallah khair for listening. May Allah allow us to use His beautiful names and make us closer to Him. Allahumma Ameen. Join us in this humble journey as we explore and reflect upon the beautiful names and attributes of Allah. Hope you will also follow along as we delve deeper into our faith. Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.